Hi, greetings from Tamale. My name is Sadik Shahadu. I'm the current executive director for the Dagbani Wikimedians User Group. Happy New Year to you all at the Dagbani Wikimedia community. Um, Happy New Year to the Growing Wikimedia community, the Moshi Wikimedia community, and the Dagbani department at the University of Education, Edumaku, all the students and lecturers at the Dagbani department. Thank you so much for your contributions. Thank you so much for your support. A special shout out to Mohammed Sadat Abdullah at Wikimedia Germany. Thank you so much, massively, for your support. Thank you for always supporting us in so many ways. Thank you for your contribution and dedication to the course since its inception. Thank you so much for all the guidelines and everything that you have done for the Dagbani Wikipedia. We truly appreciate your hard work and commitment. And a special thanks goes to, yes, my team members at the Dagbani Wikimedia User Group. Thank you so much for supporting me. Abdul Rashid, Muhammad Awal, Musa FM, DN Shitobu, um, Khadija Abubakar, Khadija Idrisu, Zakaria Raha. Thank you all, guys. Thank you so much for all the hard work. Thank you so much for your commitment since 2020 to date. Thank you so much for everything that you have done to support the Dagbani Wikimedia User Group. I believe strongly that this year will be better and bigger. And to all our community members, we truly appreciate your commitment. To everyone who has supported us in diverse ways, our collaborators and supporters, and the entire Dagbang. Thank you so much, Sagani TV and NTV, Idris Zakaria Baba, for always like getting us out there in the media space. Momono Yunus at Justice FM. I cannot mention all the names. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate everything that you have done for the Dagbani Wikipedia. As it stands now, the Dagbani Wikipedia is currently the biggest and officially, yes, officially the biggest Wikipedia among the four Wikipedia languages that we have in Ghana here. Yes, this is huge and this is a big achievement to all of us. Just within 2 years, we've been able to like do so many things to get the Dagbani Wikipedia an official affiliate user group. We've also been able to come out of the incubator as at July 2021. So in less than 1 year, we've achieved all these great successes. I wish that this year will be bigger and better. I wish that we'll continue to put our heads together to push the Dagbang and to push the language across borders. We want to thank everyone who has supported us, our collaborators, sponsors, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye. Happy New Year.